Everyone, hope you are all doing good. Today's topic is sum of integers. That means if the input is 3, the output should be 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is the output. Some value we are going to get, right? That will be considered as our output. Okay, hope you understand. Again, I am repeating again. If the input is 3, it should start from 1, 2 and followed by 3. Adding of those three numbers, some value we are going to get, right? That is considered as output, and this is called sum of integers. For that, we will go with for loop. We will go with for loop. For loop. In general, loop means what? Loop means repeating. Please excuse me if there are any mistakes, or if you know any other logics apart from using for loop, while loop, do while loop, or the logic I am using. Please free to share your logic in the comment section. Then I can also able to learn, and our subscribers also can learn, and you can also learn. Okay, repeating a task, right? So our approach is, why we are doing this? Because it is repeating, right? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on up to our input, right? Our input. Yes. So we are choosing this loop. In this loop, first start with for loop. For loop. Okay. I don't know how to use this. Okay. Just start with for loop. Okay. And the second one we will also cover while loop. Okay. Coming to the VS Code. Okay. I am using for loop. With that I am initializing I is equals to 1, because we are starting from 1, right? I is less than or equal to, oh, we need some input, right? First we need to take some input, so I am declaring here int input equals to sc dot next int. Yeah, before that I will print some message, that is system dot out dot println, enter the input integer. Okay, shortly we will change it as ip, which is input. So I is less than or equal to what? Ip, then I plus plus. We are incrementing that ip value. So, oh, here is one problem is there. Oh, showing print. Okay, we are incrementing, but to whom we are incrementing? At what variable we are incrementing? So we create another one int variable named as sum, that will be initialized as 0, because in at a earlier stage the sum will carry nothing, 0, right? Now we are incrementing sum with what? I will write, this is one method, and we can also do it as sum equals to sum plus I. This will be understandable by all. Okay, what's here happening means sum equals to sum plus I. That means in this sum it will add I value and itself before the iteration. Okay, I will print this system.out.println the sum of, I will give all integers up to what, up to input I will give is that is sum, right? Let's check it out whether the output is coming or not. Yeah, it is asking for us enter the input. If I enter 3, the sum of all integers up to 3 is 6. That includes 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's check it out how it is working initially. Okay, I am taking here inside the for loop, right? Inside the for loop I gave sum equals to sum plus I, right? This should be iterate for how many times? 3 times. Okay, from 1 to 3, right? Let's check it how it is working. Okay, okay, if I equal to 1, sorry, I will undo this. I don't know how to write. Okay, let's continue with text only. When I equals to 1 means, I equals to 1 means initially sum is equals to what? 0, right? So when the I becomes 1, sum equals to 0 plus 1, right? That's all. Simple. And when I equals to 2 means sum equals to, sum is already 1, right? Sum is already 1 here. So here sum will be previous sum plus current ith value. That is 1 plus 2. That's equals to 3. Okay. When I equals to 3, then sum will be sum of previous value plus ith value. That is, what is the previous value in the before iteration? 3 plus what is the ith value now? 3. That's equals to 6. This is the process going inside the for loop. Or if we going with while loop also, we will do the same thing. Okay, yeah, this is the way. Let's change a little bit here. We saw the how the for loop is, what we can say, it is running, right? Let's make it here up to okay. I will print messages using for loop. Okay, for loop. Now I will copy this for the future use. Okay, yeah, okay. Then I am doing another thing. Int I will give it as total equals to what? 0. Okay, I will use while loop here. While loop. Okay, that is I. Oh, what is this? What all this? I don't know. I am a beginner, as same as you, bro. I don't know advanced coding. I will know something. Okay. In for loop, the syntax may different, but the logic is same. But I want to show the difference and how to implement the same thing with the while loop. Okay. Go with first. We need to increment, right? Sorry, we need to initialize, right? For suppose k is equals to, it will start from 1, because in for loop we made it as int I is equals to 1, right? As well as in while loop int k is equals to 1. Inside the while loop we will give the condition if k is less than or equal to total. Okay, total, then only you will run the condition. Up to here we have to run this code, that is while loop, right? Okay, the total will become what? Total equals to total plus I, right? Sorry, k, right? At last we are going to print the message again, but this time I will modify this because we are using while loop. Okay, I think it will come definitely. K is equals to 1. K is equals to 1, and here total is initially 0. We need to increment right here. K will increment. Okay, k plus plus. Oh, sorry, bro. We need to change this. This will be input. Yeah, yeah, that's all. I think it will do now. Okay, it will again ask us for enter the integer. I will again enter 3. Check whether we are getting the same output for these two, for loop and while loops. Yeah, absolutely. We are getting the same output. Okay, let's go to inside while loop and why it is showing the same. Okay, here also, but the point is, imagine this is I as k, sum as total, and the same thing is different. Sorry, and the whole process is the same. When k will be 1, total will be 1, and k will be 2, then total will be 3. When k will be 3, total will be 6. As same as for loop, while loop also same, but the process is different. The writing the syntax is different. That's all. Hope you understand. Thank you and take care. Bye.